Hey guys, this is my shelf of shame. Um, it's got a couple things on here, some pieces, but I wanted to actually focus on these guys right here. These were all done with different filaments. Uh, this one right here is Overture. A friend of mine actually turned me on to this, and this stuff is fantastic. This is the PLA Professional. It's not expensive as far as filament goes, but I really like the way that this runs. And I've actually subscribed, so I get a couple rolls of that a month. But this is the one that I wanted to pay attention to. A lot of people are saying they're having shift issues. Now, this was run with PETG, and I just responded to somebody about this. This thing was absolutely out of control when I started to print it, and I don't have any dexterity here, but you can see that the temp that I was running it at, I was running it at 215 at the nozzle, and I think it was running at like 65 or 70 at the bed, and it started to peel up, and it was starting to shift, and like this whole thing was coming apart. And so I immediately went over there and cranked all the heat up and slowed this thing down right about there is when I started to slow it down. And as soon as I did that, the shifting stopped, and it just kind of went back to printing, and it actually didn't do too bad for PET G, especially on my first try. So for everybody who's having these issues with the shifting and the giant tumbleweed of plastic pubes flying all over the bed, work with your temperature and slow your machines down. I'm doing some shoulder armor for Mandalorian build right now. But also, the other thing you could try, I've been using this, and this stuff has been great. It's kind of like the what do you call it? The MacGuffin there. So if you can't get your temps exactly perfect to where they want to stop peeling up, that stuff will help a little bit. It's not going to totally correct your problem, but it will kind of help you out by keeping that adhesion. And it's been working pretty well, so just food for thought. I mean, I'm brand new to this, so I'm still figuring this stuff out myself. So, yep, just figured I'd pass that along. Catch you guys in the next one. Boop.